Uh-oh, lack of gear. Lack of gear. Smooth belly landing. Nice. Real nice. The pilot hasn't gotten out yet. My God, I see fire in the cockpit. Fire in the cockpit. Oceana CNS, Oceana CNS. Roll them out, roll them out. This is not a drill. Nice bounce and go. Excellent. There's Angus and the gruesome one. Okay, we'll be back. Going down to the pilot involved. Let's see if I can't widen up a little bit before I fall over myself. There it is. There's the puppy now. He's got gear now.
Normally has. Oh. I don't know why the landing gear didn't come down. They did that once before and then they came down. They picked it up. Oh, no, they don't.
Did you have it like pumped up? Is that air?
No, it's not air. It's their mechanical. Oh. Now it's working, so I don't know. It's a little bit jammed.
Not a scratch.
Did you get that landing?
Yeah, man.
You got that.
Look at that. The pilot isn't even shaking. Check him out. Sitting there as cool and collected as ever. Probably wasted.
Only in World War II do they do that.
That's it. Goddamn. P-40s, take abuse. Come on back. Bring the pilot home.